All right, so here I got system equations x plus y equals negative 8. 2x plus 2y equals 10. We can actually work this out by hand, or we can uh, put it in the calculator. So I'm going to do both. And now I got them both in what's called standard form. X to y, the number. X to y equals the number. And what I like about this form is that it allows me, it's x plus y equals negative 8, right? Okay. To kind of utilize some little strategies that we learned in Algebra 1. Just scratch out the y and scratch out the x. You know what x equals to. So in this case, x equals to negative 8. And then y also equals to negative 8. So I'm looking for a graph that cuts through here. And there's actually a line that you can use over here. Connect the line. It's exactly, just draw the line through there. Here, I would just divide by 2. So I got 2x plus 2y equals to 10. So I scratch this out. 2x equals 10. That means x equals, I'll try to write a 5. So x equals 5. And then I scratch out the 2x, and then I got y equals to 5. And check that out. So at no point will these guys ever meet. And it'll be solved for y. Y equals negative x minus 8. And then this 2y1 becomes 2y equals negative 2x plus 10. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Y equals to negative x plus 5. I got two graphs with the same slope, different y-intercept. If I graph them on my calculator, they're never going to touch. So I know already that this one has no solution. And then again, you can graph it in the calculator if you want to. I'm not actually for this problem. But if I were to graph it in the calculator, solve for y for both of them, I would notice that they never touch. And I might as well just do it. So over here, you'd have y equals, I think it was negative 8, right? Negative 8 minus x. And then you stop there. Over here, you'd have 10, well, in parentheses, my bad. Y equals, parentheses, 10 minus 2x, close it, and have everything divided by 2. They're my two different equations. We just did right now. They're not going to touch, so it means there's no solution. The answer is these guys have no solution. And that's it. Easy stuff.